Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if your Narzo 100 light is not turning on. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up and you will see. After the process, enter your phone pin. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system and update, click on backup and reset. Click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin and click on reset. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if your Narzo 100 light is not turning on. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.